In today's video, you'll learn the up word family. The letters O and P, when they're blended together, says up. Let's blend the letters O and P together. The O says and the P says P. Let's blend them together. Up, up, up. Good job. Let's try reading some words with the up word family. Up, up, sup. Up, up, top. Up, up, pop. Up, up, cup. Up, up, mop. Good job, kids. Keep practicing reading the up word family and you'll soon get them. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in another video. I love you.